Yo, what is up everybody? It's your name, and let me tell you something. There's a reason why you see Yamaha R3s everywhere. This ain't your average starter bike, alright? This thing is a beast in disguise. We're gonna break down exactly why this bike is loved by thousands, from the sleek design to the raw power it packs. So, buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the world of the Yamaha R3. First things first, let's talk about how this thing looks. I mean, come on. The Yamaha R3 is a visual masterpiece that commands attention from the moment you lay eyes on it. This bike is straight up sexy. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a statement, a declaration of style and performance. The R3 boasts those sharp, aggressive lines that just scream speed. Every angle, every curve is meticulously crafted to enhance its aerodynamic efficiency and visual appeal. You got that low-slung profile, the aerodynamic fairing, it's like it's cutting through the air just standing still. The design is not just about aesthetics, it's about function and form working in perfect harmony. And those LED lights? They're like piercing eyes staring down the road, demanding attention. They not only look cool, but also provide excellent visibility, enhancing safety during night rides. This bike turns heads, trust me. Whether you're parked or cruising down the street, people can't help but stop and admire. I've ridden it through the city, and people stop and stare. It's like you're riding a piece of art that everyone wants to get a closer look at. It's like a magnet for motorcycle enthusiasts and curious onlookers alike. The R3 has this magnetic pull that draws people in, making it a conversation starter wherever you go. But it's not just about looks, right? It's about feeling good on the bike. The design translates into a riding experience that's both exhilarating and comfortable. And let me tell you, the R3 nails that sporty, confident riding position. You feel like you're in control, ready to take on any road with confidence. You feel like you're in control, one with the machine. The ergonomics are designed to give you that perfect balance between sportiness and comfort. It's not too aggressive, not too relaxed, it's just right. Whether you're leaning into a turn or cruising on a straight road, the R3 adapts to your riding style. And the best part? The design isn't just for show. Every element serves a purpose, enhancing both performance and aesthetics. That aerodynamic fairing, it actually channels the wind, making the ride smoother and more stable at higher speeds. It's like the bike is working with you, not against you. Yamaha really knocked it out of the park with the design of the R3. It's a perfect blend of form and function, making it a standout in its class. It's a bike that looks as good as it performs, and that's a rare combination. You get the best of both worlds, stunning design and top-notch performance. So, whether you're cruising through city streets or carving up canyon roads, the R3 is going to make a statement. It's versatile, capable, and undeniably stylish. Stick around because we're about to dive into the heart and soul of this beast, the engine and the performance. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Confidence-inspiring ride. The R3 feels planted and stable, even when you're pushing it through tight corners. You feel connected to the road, able to lean into corners with precision and stability. thrilling ride that will leave you wanting more. You know, one of the things that makes the Yamaha R3 so special is how approachable it is. This bike is perfect for both seasoned riders and those who are just starting their two-wheeled journey. Let's face it, starting out on a powerful, heavy bike can be intimidating. But the R3? It's like that friend who's always down for an adventure but never makes you feel pressured. The R3's lightweight design makes it incredibly manageable, even for smaller riders. You're not wrestling with the bike, you're in control. You feel confident maneuvering it through traffic, parking it, even just moving it around the garage. It's not intimidating, it's inviting. And the clutch? Forget about those jerky starts and stalled engines. The R3's clutch is smooth as silk, making it easy to find that sweet spot and pull away smoothly. It's all about building confidence, and the R3 does just that. And once you're moving, the comfortable riding position makes even longer rides enjoyable. You're not hunched over the tank like a wannabe racer. You're sitting comfortably, in control, able to enjoy the scenery and the ride. The R3 is still a blast to ride, even if you're not an experienced rider. It's a bike that will teach you, inspire you, and make you fall in love with the open road. Chapter 4. More than just weekends, the R3 as your everyday ride. Now, some people think sport bikes are just for weekend rides and carving canyons. They imagine these bikes as high-performance machines that are only suitable for those thrilling, adrenaline-pumping moments on twisty roads. But the Yamaha R3? It's so much more than that. It's a versatile machine that can handle the demands of everyday life with ease. This bike is built for the daily grind, for commuting, for errands, for just about anything you can throw at it. Whether you're navigating through congested city traffic, or making a quick stop at the grocery store, the R3 is up for the challenge. First off, let's talk about fuel efficiency. In today's world, where fuel prices are constantly on the rise, having a bike that doesn't guzzle gas is a huge advantage. This thing sips gas like a hummingbird. You won't find yourself constantly at the pump, which means more time riding and less time worrying about refueling. You can go for miles and miles on a single tank, which is great for your wallet and for the environment. Long rides become more enjoyable when you know you won't have to stop frequently for gas. No more constantly stopping at the gas station, the R3 keeps you going. It's a bike that understands the importance of efficiency and convenience. And despite its sporty looks, the R3 is surprisingly comfortable. The designers have managed to strike a balance between a sporty stance and everyday comfort. The riding position, while still sporty, is comfortable enough for longer commutes. You won't feel like you're sacrificing comfort for style. You're not going to feel cramped or sore after a long ride. The ergonomics are designed to keep you relaxed and at ease, even after hours on the road. Plus, the suspension does a great job of soaking up bumps and imperfections in the road. City streets can be unpredictable, but the R3 handles them with grace. You're not getting jarred around, even on rough city streets. The suspension system ensures a smooth ride, making your daily commute a lot more pleasant. It's a surprisingly smooth and refined ride for a bike in this class. The R3 proves that you don't have to compromise on comfort to enjoy a sporty ride. And let's not forget about practicality. While it may not have the storage capacity of a touring bike, the R3 offers enough space for your daily essentials. The R3 might not have saddlebags, but it's still got enough storage space under the seat for a few essentials. Whether it's your lunch, a small toolkit, or some personal items, there's room for it. So whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or just exploring the city, the Yamaha R3 is up for the task. It's a bike that adapts to your lifestyle, making every ride enjoyable. It's a bike that seamlessly blends practicality with performance, making it the perfect everyday companion. The Yamaha R3 is not just a weekend warrior, it's a reliable partner for all your daily adventures. Yamaha R3. It's a bike that delivers on all fronts without emptying your wallet. Chapter 6. Don't just take my word for it. The R3 community speaks, but hey, you don't have to take my word for it. The Yamaha R3 has a massive and passionate community of riders all over the world, and they're not shy about sharing their love for this bike. Just go online, search for Yamaha R3 reviews, and you'll be bombarded with positive feedback. Riders of all skill levels rave about the R3's performance, its handling, its versatility, and of course, its affordability. And it's not just online reviews. The R3 has a strong presence in the motorcycle community. You see them everywhere, at bike nights, at track days, on group rides. There's a real sense of camaraderie among R3 owners. It's like they're all part of a secret society, united by their love for this incredible machine. So if you're looking for a bike that comes with a built-in community of passionate riders, the Yamaha R3 is the perfect choice. So, there you have it, the Yamaha R3, a bike that's stylish, affordable, and most importantly, a blast to ride. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting out, the R3 is a bike that deserves your attention. Is the R3 your next ride? Let me know in the comments down below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more motorcycle content just like this.